So after exercise 1, we've tried to describe the motion with our knowledge in anatomy. And then in exercise 2, we're trying to use EMG to prove our answer to see if that's correct. So here's the example. You got the guy sitting on the chair with his knee extended. And we're going to put 2 electrodes on the thigh. So that'll be one for quadricep and the other for hamstring. And then we're going to apply a force here. And he's going to lower his foot. So that's basically doing knee flexion, but controlling the motion. So think about like what we got in exercise 1 and applying this in this example. So you can see for knee, the motion would be flexion, right? And would it be concentric or eccentric? Think about if there's no muscle activation. We apply a force. We will slam her foot to the ground, right? But he's going to control that motion. He doesn't want to speed up by the force we apply. He wants to decelerate or with a well-controlled motion. So that'll be quadricep doing eccentric contraction, right? To decelerate the force, to counter the force and have a well-controlled motion to put her foot back. So again, that's knee flexion, and we think that's quadricep doing eccentric contraction. Then we'll see if that's true. So here we can see that's the knee, the degree of knee. So you can see the knee angle is decreasing, so that's actually flexion, right? And then for the quadricep muscle, that's an EMG signal. So we can see, wow, this excited, right? That's the amplitude is kind of high. So we can say the quadricep is activated, while the hamstring is not, or is relatively quiet. So when the knee angle is decreasing and thigh muscle is activated, that's eccentric contraction for knee, doing flexion. Right? So yeah, so that's flexion, and quadricep is on, hamstring is quiet. And I think that's everything for exercise 2. And when you look at the questions, you'll figure out it's super easy. Alright, so in next video, we're going to do a little bit harder exercise on walking. So see you guys later.